Journey begins in the heart of the orchards, where the finest lychees are hand-selected at their peak ripeness.
Every single fruit must meet strict color and size standards before it even leaves the tree.
Once harvested, the lychees are immediately shaded to protect their high moisture content from the morning sun.
Speed is essential. These fruits must reach the processing facility within hours to maintain their signature floral sweetness.
Upon arrival at the factory, the raw inputs undergo their first major transition into the industrial chain.
The lychees are carefully tipped onto the primary intake conveyors, designed to handle the fruit without bruising.
A cold water mist lowers the fruit's core temperature, halting the natural fermentation process instantly. The transition from raw harvest to industrial raw material is now complete, as the fruit moves toward the sorting line.
This is where human expertise meets industrial efficiency to ensure only the perfect lychees proceed further.
Welcome back to Process Vision. We've just seen how these fresh lychees are harvested and brought into the facility. But the real precision starts now. In the next phase, we'll see the intense sorting and assembly process that ensures top-tier quality. Stay tuned.
In this phase, the lychees are subjected to a rigorous manual sorting process to eliminate any fruit with skin blemishes.
Precision is key. Even a tiny crack in the shell can compromise the entire batch during the preservation stage. Anywhere.
The assembly line is designed for maximum flow, ensuring the lychees move quickly to the next washing station.
After sorting, the lychees enter a specialized drum, where gentle friction removes any remaining micro-impurities. High-pressure, food-grade sanitizing jets ensure that each lychee delicate shell is thoroughly cleaned and completely sterile before moving to the next stage.
Excess moisture is immediately removed by powerful air currents to prepare the surface for the next mechanical stave.
Mechanical vibrators organize the fruit into perfect lines, allowing sensors to track each individual lychee. The factory's synchronized assembly system ensures that thousands of lychees are handled every minute without delay.
Automated optical sensors verify that the lychees have the exact shade of red required for premium export quality.
With handling and sorting complete, the lychees are now ready to be transported into the core of the factory.
From expert hands to smart sensors, every lychee is inspected for perfection. Now, the journey continues forward.
To maintain total sterilization, the lychees are transported through sealed overhead conveyors directly into the main factory zone.
Elevation systems carefully lift the fruit, using gravity-defying belts that protect the delicate lychee shells from impact.
Every batch is digitally logged, allowing the factory to track the exact volume of fruit entering the production line in real time. Entering the core facility requires passing through an airlock system, maintaining a strictly controlled environment for food safety. Diversion gates split the flow, organizing the lychees into specialized lanes for the upcoming peeling and pitting stages. Constant vibration prevents the fruit from clumping, ensuring a steady, individual flow into the preparation zone. And magnetic safety rollers act as a silent guardian, ensuring the absolute purity of the raw inputs before they reach the cutters.
One final misting ensures the surface of the fruit is pristine, keeping the floral aroma of the lychee perfectly fresh.
The transport phase is now complete, and the lychees have successfully entered the high-precision processing zone.
This is the critical transition where the raw fruit begins its transformation into a world-class preserved product.
A world-class transport system keeps the fruit safe and spotless as it enters the factory. Now we step into the most delicate stage.
Every lychee is scanned using high-definition X-ray technology to ensure internal purity and structural integrity. Every lychee is scanned using high-definition X-ray technology to ensure internal purity and structural integrity.
Advanced density sensors instantly identify and remove any fruit that doesn't meet the juice-to-pulp ratio requirements. Preparation begins with a brief flash of steam, which allows the outer shell to be removed without damaging the delicate fruit inside.
Mechanical rollers apply the exact amount of pressure to separate the skin, revealing the pearly white lychee fruit. A protective rinse in a mild citric solution ensures the fruit maintains its brilliant white color throughout the process.
In a zero-waste system, the seeds are collected to be processed into oils or organic fertilizers for the orchards.
Even with advanced automation, a final manual check ensures that every single fruit is flawless and ready for preservation.
Rapid chilling firms the fruit's texture, ensuring it remains plump and juicy even after the thermal processing stage.
With inspection and preparation complete, the lychees are now ready for the core processing stage.
The precision here is incredible, Clive. Skins removed, seeds extracted without harming the fruit.
The core process begins as the perfected lychees are precisely portioned into high-grade, sterilized cans.
Removing air from the container is vital to ensure the product remains fresh for years without artificial preservatives. Removing air from the container is vital to ensure the product remains fresh for years without artificial preservatives.
In a split second, the lids are hermetically sealed, locking in the flavor and aroma of the fresh harvest.
The cans enter the retort, where controlled heat and pressure eliminate any potential microorganisms.
Constant monitoring ensures the temperature is high enough for safety, but gentle enough to keep the fruit firm.
After the heat treatment, a sudden cold water immersion stops the cooking process instantly, preserving the fruit's texture.
Industrial air knives strip away all moisture, ensuring the cans are perfectly dry before they reach the finishing stage. Every can is marked with a digital identity, ensuring full traceability from the factory back to the orchard.
The core processing is complete, and the fruit is now a shelf-stable product ready for the global market.
This is where the magic happens. Lychees are sealed in their own juice. Heat treatment locks in fresh for months.
The final presentation begins as each can receives its branding, marking it as a premium product of the Process Vision supply chain.
Quality control never rests. Any can with even a slight pressure deviation is automatically diverted from the line. Automation takes over the heavy lifting, as high-speed robotics organize the finished goods into protective shipping containers. An additional layer of industrial shrink wrap is applied, securing the cargo for the rigors of international transport.
The boxed products are palletized with structural precision, ready to be moved into the high-density storage zone.
In this smart factory environment, autonomous vehicles navigate the warehouse to optimize storage space and efficiency.
Millions of cans are stored here in a climate-controlled environment, awaiting the final call for global distribution. The journey to international markets begins as the containers are sealed and prepared for the port. Digital tracking ensures that every pallet can be monitored from this loading dock to the supermarket shelf.
From fresh orchard fruit to a global culinary delight, the lychee processing journey is now complete.
And there you have it, from the fresh orchards to these final sealed cans ready for the world. It's been an incredible journey here at the factory. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the lychee process, don't forget to like and subscribe to Process Vision for more industrial documentaries. See you in the next one.